All right, guys, it's day 15 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge using dollar cost average to buy PHT and other meme coins. So now that the market is done, we are not really, uh, like bothered. You understand? Because it's an advantage to us because we are using DCA dollar cost average to buy every day. So as the market dips, as the price goes down, it gives us an opportunity, an advantage to buy at huge discount. So no worries, no panic. Okay, and that's the beauty of using DCA dollar cost averaging. So instead of using your money to buy or go all in at once, you reserve your capital to take advantage of opportunities like this when the market is down, when the market is crashing, when the price keeps dumping. So as usual, we're gonna buy PHT right now, then we'll look for another meme coin to buy. So this is a marathon, this is a process, so we don't have to rush. Okay, so you can see little by little we are growing, we are moving. So I'm gonna click on BNB and user. I'm gonna type 0.005. Okay, it's done. Confirm. All right. So let's look for another meme coin to buy. Let's go to the screener. Okay, so here is another meme coin that we are gonna buy. Okay, I am going to copy the contract address here, copy. Then we're gonna click on charts. Okay, let's look at the charts. Okay, so we can see that this is retracing. There is a pullback. Okay, and I already marked out a demand zone right here that the price is expected to get to. Okay, so if the price eventually gets to this demand level, we are going to buy. All right, so let's go ahead and buy. And also you can see the pair was created 1 year 7 months 2 days ago, so it's been like the meme coin has been in existence for a very long time, and currently now the buyers are in control. 520 buyers, 286 sellers. So copy. So let's go to OKX and I'm gonna click on swap, then paste the contract address, ship a high, then let's use 25% of what I got. Okay, swap via OKX text, confirm. So don't forget, if the price drops to that level, this level here, we'll definitely buy more. Okay, so we can like double or buy 10x of what we bought just now. So that's it, guys. Let me know if you have any questions, suggestion, observation. Let me know. Drop your question in the comment section below. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace.